Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Facebook how to lock profile. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And from here, navigate to your settings. You can go to settings and privacy drop down and go to settings. And here you can search for lock profile. So there is another way you can lock your profile, that is head over to the three lines icon, then head over to your profile. From here, go to the three dots just beside the edit profile option, and in here you will find the option of lock profile just under the bottom of the US. So go to lock profile, then just tap on lock profile. And as you can see, my profile is currently locked. Only my friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on my profile. Tap on OK. And as you can see this tag right now, you have locked your profile. So you can see once you have locked your profile, you can see this one too. So what you need to do is, if you want to see what your profile looks from the other people who are not your friends, you have to tap on the three dots. From here, go to view as. So now you are seeing your profile as the other people's perspective. So yeah, they can see that your profile is locked. So this is how you can just lock your Facebook profile. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.